Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming that your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked, because eSIM requires carrier and device compatibility. Next, open the Vodafone app or website and sign in with your account. You'll need your ID and account number to request an eSIM profile. Once done, locate the option to convert physical SIM to eSIM or request eSIM. Choose it and follow on-screen prompts to generate an activation QR code. This begins the migration process. After requesting the eSIM, Vodafone will provide an activation QR code through the app, SMS, or email. You must keep the physical SIM in place until activation completes. On your phone, go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data, Add Cellular Plan, then scan the QR code. If prompted, enter the activation code Vodafone sent. Make sure you choose to keep your number and migrate the plan, and confirm any prompts to download the carrier profile so the eSIM installs properly. Once the eSIM profile is installed, activate it in Settings and optionally set it as your primary line for calls and data. You may need to switch data to the eSIM. Restart your phone to finalize provisioning, then verify signal, mobile data, and voice functionality. Make a test call and browse. If the eSIM fails to register, rescan the QR, confirm APN settings match Vodafone's, and if still unresolved, contact Vodafone support with your activation reference for remote assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.